Yeah, I have another video of myself pissed off.
Okay.
All right. Easy. Easy.
It's digging in.
It's going.
You know, we did a sample. I don't think we didn't use the vise, and maybe that's why the thing moved.
Yeah, that wasn't as easy as we would have thought.
Mm-mm. It sounds really easy when you read the instructions.
And then real life happens.
Yeah. Wow, look at what's bending that thing.
It should release pressure once it
Goes all the way through.
Yeah.
Getting easier. Rink them all the way through. See what we got.
Alrighty.
The first guy that did this, when it bent like that, was probably like, ooh, I don't know, man.
What was engineering thinking?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that explains that problem.
So now,
Look at that.
looks like I did it.
I did it.
I gotta get this thing out of here somehow.
Without fucking it up.
Yeah, ideally. Oh my goodness.
Shit. That's scary. Just so you know.
What does it say here? It stops before you get to this point. A holding tool from rotating, tighten nut to pierce cutout. And then what?
Yeah, way to go, GM. Thanks for that. Thanks for the incomplete instructions. I mean, it was.
Like, I feel like I should try to tap that out, but this is the finished side, so.
It was over 50 years ago, so
Yeah.
I would assume there's probably a leaflet somewhere that.
Yeah, we only got part of the instructions.
Yep. You got a solid 2/3 of it. You want to try that crescent? Maybe fiddle fuck with it, with the crescent. Like, give it a little wiggle. Or tap it with the end, or just be really, really scared of the whole thing, like I am right now.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there we are. Oh, wow. Oh, God.
That's the part that's
Sketchy.
I don't want to push it the rest of the way through.
That was making scary noises. But it's going.
Did it move?
I believe so. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break.
Do you think I tried to just drive it through? Like, see how it's... Maybe if
got
I
that
trim up that...
Burr on it.
Thank God we only got 2 of these.
Oh, God.
What?
Just a general. My heart rate is going up as I watch you do this. I like how real our videos are. There's just like a beer in the background.
Yeah, we didn't stage it clearly.
Cigars. This is very real, obviously.
Man. Well, I mean,
Maybe go all the way through and.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that! You loosened it up with the hammer, though. We'll say that.
That's what it is, because it curls up on the inside, so going back, it's sucking that material back in.
Yeah.
I call that pretty good.
That looks
that
nice.
scratch was already there.
Yeah, that was not us.
All right.
One down, one to go.
Yippee.
Yippee.
Perfect.
Yeah. That's the old one. That was our test from. Can you believe that was a year ago?
That's our test. Yeah. Yeah. No, I can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can. No, I can. I don't know.
We've done 5 million things, but there's our new ones.
Yeah, the Galaxy's been here a year now.
I can't believe it. And then neglected Fiona.
Yeah, poor Fiona's been here for over a year.
Oh well.
Get her back together one of these days. Allie wants to get her back together before we get an EMP strike because